बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स। और आज का हम जो प्रोजेक्ट बनाने वाले हैं उसके लिए हमें चाहिए 4 स्क्वायर ऑफ बिग, और दीज आर 11 सेंटीमीटर बाय 11 सेंटीमीटर। दिस इज 11 सेंटीमीटर बाय 11 सेंटीमीटर और 5 इंचेस, 5 बाय 5 इंच. These are fours. 11.5 centimeter by 11.5 centimeter, and 12 squares are 5 centimeter, only 5 centimeter, 5 by 5 centimeter means 2 inch, 2 by 2 inch. This is same 2 by 2 inch or 5 by 5 centimeter. These are fours. Total we need 4, color B 12 and color C also 4, and these are marked like this. Corner to corner we mark it like this. I will show you. This is marked by like this, corner to corner diagonal, all are same, and these are also. We will take this and put it here like this and sew like this. We will stitch here like this diagonal with all fours, with all big fours. Corner to corner we will stitch here with all fours, same. Let's stitch. सीधे भी दिखाइए. Yes friends, this is like this stitch here. I stitch here like this, and when we will fold it, this is completed by it like this. All 4 are like this. Like this and even like this. Now we will do to cut it here. Cut the excess of fabric diagonal. Seam lines nearby it, and when we will open it, it looks like it. Same here. Then we will take this and also we will stitch like this, and like this to fold it here, and like this, and same here like this. You this way, and this way. Iron it like this. Look like this. all sides are same, and like this. Cut your excess. Okay. We will place it like this. First stitch here, stop. Stitch here, sewing here, seam here. इसलिए कुछ नहीं नहीं क्यों गए हो गया this 2-inch strap 2 inch or 5 centimeter see you like this and like this wait and this is like this and now we will stitch this strap here 4 sides of it here and here and this is the final look. This is first block. You will use it in many or multi-purpose in bags, clothes, cushions or bed sheets making or bags making. This is very fabulous and awesome design, very easy for beginners. Must try and subscribe my channel Shazi Khalil. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.